Anytime you set your eyes and see a reversal and you notice that this is a reversal and you place your trade from there, you have not just entered a trade, but you have started making yourself a profitable trader. You know, we have so many people who are into the business, but only few are successful. The question is why? What is really the problem? Is it that the market hates us, or is it that we don't know what to do when it comes to placing trade? I am here today to announce to you that the problem is not the market. The problem is the ability to see when the market wants to reverse. In this video, I'm about to show you a few things that will help you to step in and come out successfully. Stay tuned. Now, listen. Too many people are placing trade, but they hardly notice something like this. They hardly see it coming. They hardly notice that something speedily is coming up. You know? So each time they notice that something is coming up, they find it difficult to manage it. Look at this. We all see this in our daily trade, in our 1 hour trade, in our 4 hour trade, but only few are able to make use of this. Few. Once you see something like this, once you see this arrow below here, once you see this, I'm going to be showing you this so that once you notice this, you will know that you are about to step in to make profit. I will show you this, but mark my word. Listen. Let's just take this screen as an example now. Look at here. Watch here. We have two bearish candle. After that, what happened? I just want to make it clear. After it, what next will you be looking after? Watch here. The next candle will end up as a bearish candle, as a bullish candle. Then if that happened, know that something is coming up. Then for you to be sure, after this ended up as a bullish candle, then as a bullish candle, then watch the next. That next is this. You see that? Is this one. After it, what happened? The journey took off from there to this place. Get that? Now, this one, you close your trade. Here, you close your trade. Do you see that? You close your trade. Now, if you are to follow this very principle now, you will see that here, you have, I'm just showing you two things so that you will not be confused. Here, let's take from this one here. Let's follow this one. Look at here. Look at here. Look at this one. Are you seeing it? This is bullish candle. After it closed, the next candle that came up was a bearish candle. Immediately this candle closed as a bearish. Count to the two. The first signal is that it doesn't matter the previous one, but once the two candle happens like this, then another one opened up like this and closed. Then watch the next one will open as a bullish candle. Then from there, know that there is going to be a breakout, and you will take this and close your trade either here or here because of those resistance zone here. Do you see that? Do you get that now? Now look at my another confirmation. This one happened here again. After it, you have this one. After this one, what happened? The bearish come back again and drop to this place. If I am lying, just check the trade. So no matter how simple it may look like, but it must definitely show you a sign that something is going to happen. If it happens to red like this, then next one becomes green, then know that selling position is coming up. Then if it happens on green and the red follows like this, I get what I'm saying. Know that something is going to, no matter how small it's going to be. So for some of you struggling to take at least one candle successfully, this is how you can do it. Now, using this very strategy, using this, you will believe with me that it's not going to be that easy for you to see. That is why I have to add up these indicators. I have to add up these indicators for you to be able to use it to help you to detect it when this is going to happen. Please, for some who say that I don't drop indicators in this video, please listen. If you are watching this video right away, if you are watching this video right now, what we have here in the main chart now is 5 minutes time frame. But I will be using 1 hour time frame. Now that which I showed you earlier, let's see how it's going to work here. Let's bring it close to us and let's see how possible this can be. Are you ready? Can we work? Let's see it. Here we have this one. I hope you know that this represents bearish. After that, what do we have? Let me mark it so that you will see it. Check that already here. Picture it and see what you will see and see what we'll have here. Are you ready to see that? Now, watch here too. Look at it. Can you see it? So, one of the things you should be looking at for is the presence of when these two candles. Okay, let me just change this to normal color that we know. You know, the thing will be confusing to some people. The bar up, which represent bearish, the bull, which represent bullish, then the white, which is this one that represents bearish, and the bear that represent bearish. You see that? So I can decide to change my background to white, then knock out this thing, knock it out, then change the 4 this thing to black so that I will see my price movement. This is what we have here. You see that? So for clarity, I have to change this one to at least red, then change this one to at least blue for clarity. Then I have to change this one also to at least something that can be noticed, something like this. You see that? So this is what we'll do to make sure that things will be clear and it will be visible. All right. So what I'm showing you is simple things that you can use to be able to identify reversal points, mostly from your higher time frame. Once you see it, then you will know that something is going to come up. Definitely, something is going to come up. Now, as this market is trending from this direction, what are the signs you will see and you will know that something is about to drop a little or continue to reverse completely once it has crossed to this line? You know, each time we'll tell you that once you see this line, then what are you going to be seeing, or what are the things you will see? Once you see them, you will know that the market is about to reverse. This is what I'm about to show you. First, you will see a spike. Once you see a spike, which is you will see a bearish candle movement. This can work on boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, volatility, step index, jump index, range, or whatever that you can trade on synthetics. This can work for you. All right. Now, you once you see this spike, watch what will happen. The two candles must be bullish. Then after it, you will see a bearish candle in between. After that bearish candle, the next one will come back to be a bearish. Then know that market is about to drop for some time. The market is about to drop. So if you don't see this again, know it that the market don't have any intention of dropping back again. Are you get what I'm saying now? So all these things we are seeing here is just for they are trying to retrace and they want to pull back. So the market is on uptrend here and make a retracement here and make a pullback here and retrace. I see it. So all these things is still pointing downtrend. Please get that into your mind. So here will give you a sign that the market is still an uptrend. But what are you going to like? You want to close your trade or you just entered somewhere here. You don't want to make mistake. What are you going to be doing? Do use this simple strategy I am giving out now. So watch out those things because this is one of the things we'll be using as a means to trade in our listing. All right, let's look at this one again. Now look at here. This one now, we are using it to see uptrend and when the market want to sell, buy, when the market want to go uptrend like this, look at it, one, and you see a bearish candle. The next one that opened is bearish. The market goes up like this. Are you seeing it? This is how to identify them. It's very, very simple. If you have question, please drop it on my comment section because I will be willing to attend to it because it may sound confusing, but once you are able to detect it, believe me, you will smile home. You will smile home. It's as simple as that. So I don't want to compile so many things on this video. I'll be dropping the next video. After this one, just watch the next video. I'll be dropping two of them together. This one is for you to identify one of the simple reversal points that can help you to see when the market is about to reverse. Try this, then you will be glad you do. Then for you to have this very indicator parameters here, the parameters goes this way. This is Bollinger Band. This is Bollinger Band. Please, this is Bollinger Band. And what I have here is 13. What I have here is 13. Please, the deviation, which is the D, is 0.100. This is what I have here. And the apply is weighted close. Weighted close. This is what I have. Please use it. There is no level applied to it. Please use it. Then what we have below here is the first one I have is moving average 5 exponential. Then choose the color of your choice. That is what I have. Then that is what I have. Then the other one I have is the same Bollinger Band, but this time is 13 period, then 0.005. Then apply to red. I will explain this more in my next video. Stay tuned.